Welcome everyone. Welcome to my science diary. Today we will understand how a scientist name a species and why every organism has one universal scientific name. Why is a cat called Felis catus or why is a mango tree called Mangifera indica? Today in just a few minutes, let's understand how a species gets its name, who names it and why naming is so important. So let's revise again. What a species? A species is a group of organisms that can make babies that will be helpful in future also. For example, all dogs are one species, all cats are another species. Most member of a species look similar, but sometimes two animals look very similar and still they are not the same species. So now let's see how scientists discover new species using the clouded leopard as an example. First, let's talk about the naming species and how it helps to understand wildlife better. Naming species is a scientific method to give each species a unique name called scientific name. This helps to avoid confusion when the same species has the different names in different regions. Let's take the clouded leopard as an example. Clouded leopard it hunt alone at night and spend most of their time in the treetops. They are rarely seen nearby. They roam southern China as well as the island like Borneo. For many years, the scientists believed that the clouded leopard in China and clouded leopard in Borneo were the same species. They looked almost the same. Same body shape, same spots, and same size. In China, it is called as mint leopard, while in Borneo, it known as tree tiger. That can be confusing. To avoid this confusion, the scientists gave each species a unique two-part Latin name. This naming system was created by the Carl Linnaeus, the father of taxonomy, in the 1700s. His two-name system called binomial nomenclature, or you can call it as a binomial system. It is the method of naming living organism using two names: genus name, species name. Genus name, like the surname group, first start with the capital letter, and the species name, like the first name, tells exactly which organisms. Second, start with the small letter. Both words are written in italics. Similar species are given the same first name. For example, lion and tigers are both large and they both roar. They share the first name Panthera. Pat, cat, purr, along with some small wild cat, they share the first name Felis. The second name identifies each individual species. So, lions are called Panthera leo and tigers are called Panthera tigris. The first part of the name shows the genus and the second part it shows the species. So scientific names can come from Latin or Greek words, from the place the organism was discovered, from the unique traits or name to honor a scientist. It was difficult to decide which first name clouded leopard should have. They purr and roar. Their skull look like big cat but are much smaller. The scientists solved this problem by giving them a first name of their own, Neophalis, meaning a new small cat. Their second name is Nebulosa, which is a Latin for cloudy. So, for a long time, clouded leopard on Borneo and mainland China shared the same name, Neophalis nebulosa. Then scientists checked to see if they really were the same species. So instead of guessing by looking names, scientists need a clear name to avoid confusions. Scientists checked something more powerful, the DNA. The DNA tells us about the animal genes. When they compared the genes of China leopard and Borneo leopard, they found a big difference. Because the DNA was different, the scientists declared that these are two separate species. The China clouded leopard is called Neophalis nebulosa, and the Borneo clouded leopard is called Neophalis diardi. They also live in different places, as you can see on the map: China on one side, Borneo on other. So, genetic helps the scientist understand animal betters. It helps to protect endangered species and discovered a new one. The clouded leopard example shows that appearance alone is not always enough. Today, there are many international bodies that control scientific naming. ICGN name animals, while ICN names plants, fungi, and algae. So, in conclusions, animal that looks similar may still be different species. Scientists use characteristics, behavior, and especially genes to identify new species. This discovery helps protect wildlife and improve our understanding of nature. Scientific names give every species a unique identity and help scientists understand our planet's incredible biodiversity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in comments which organism's scientific name you want next.